Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You're watching the campus television channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This lecture is on the prescribed syllabus of 3rd semester MA English Literature and Language. Paper is Linguistics and Structure of English Language. This lecture is part 2 of the lecture on IC analysis or immediate constituent analysis. In this lecture, with an example, we will study what is a construction, what is a constituent, and how a construction is broken down into successive layers of immediate constituents and of immediate constructions, and how this process goes on till one arrives at the smallest unit morpheme. Let's consider the sentence, the boy munched the nuts, and analyze it. The boy munched the nuts. This construction consists of the constituents the boy and munched the nuts. The construction the boy consists of the constituents the and boy. The construction munched the nuts consists of the constituents munched and the nuts. The construction munched consists of the constituents munch and ed. The construction the nuts consists of the constituents the and nuts. The construction nuts consists of the constituents nut and s. So here you can see at each stage the two constituents are the immediate constituents or ICs of that particular construction. For example, the boy and the munched the nuts are the ICs or immediate constituents of the sentence, and the and boy are the ICs of the boy, and so on. We have broken up the sentence into its smallest constituents, viz. The morphemes. We cannot divide any further. Hence, we say that the constituents the, boy, munch, ed, the, nut and s are the ultimate constituents of the sentence. Now, let's say what is a construction and what is a constituent. A construction is any significant group of words or morphemes, and a constituent is any word or construction or morpheme which enters into some larger constituent. Thus, in the example given, the whole utterances are constructions and each of the words a constituent. The two terms apply equally to a very large number of items. If we are concerned with the item as a part of a large whole, it is a constituent. If as a whole composed of smaller parts, it is a construction. Thus, in the earlier example, poor John ran away. That is a construction, and poor John and ran away are constituents. Again, poor John is a construction and poor and John its constituents. Therefore, an immediate constituent or IC is either of the two constituents of which any given construction is directly formed. For example, poor John and ran away are the ICs of that whole sentence, poor John ran away. IC analysis attempts to break down constructions into successive layers of ICs and of immediate constructions. IC cuts are usually binary, that is, each construction is divided into two constituents at a time. Every constituent is a part of a higher natural word group. Every constituent is further divided into lower constituents. This process goes on until one arrives at the smallest unit morpheme. In this lecture, we have seen how a construction is broken down into successive layers of immediate constituents and how this process goes on till one arrives at the smallest unit, morpheme. Do the given exercise and submit on time. Thank you.